How to use Apple gift card on Fortnite. Today I will teach you if you can do it or not. So let's get started. Well, unfortunately you won't be able to use your Apple gift card to buy Fortnite V-Bucks because Apple gift card can only be redeemed on Apple devices and you won't be able to know that you cannot use Apple funds to buy Fortnite V-Bucks because Fortnite is not available on Apple devices anymore. However, the thing that you can draw is if you haven't redeemed your Apple gift card, you can actually try to flip or sell your gift card. So how can you do that? For doing that, simply you have to go to the website that says raisemarketplace.com. Click on the link and you will be redirected to the website. Here, this website allows you to buy and sell gift cards. However, this is not available in my region, but in your region it should be. So you just have to go and list your Apple gift card. If someone makes a purchase, he will pay you on your bank account and you can use those to make a purchase from. So that's pretty much simple.